Title: How to Improve English Speaking Without Learning Grammar. Learning a language without focusing on grammar is possible, natural, and perhaps one of the most effective ways to achieve fluency. Think about how you learned your native language. Did you start by memorizing grammar rules or studying sentence structures? No. You listened, repeated, and gradually started speaking, understanding, and expressing yourself. This is exactly how you can learn English without worrying about grammar rules. Let's imagine a character, Alex, who struggled to learn English for years. Alex spent countless hours memorizing grammar rules but still couldn't hold a conversation or express thoughts naturally. One day, Alex decided to change the approach and learn English the same way children learn their native language. The results were surprising. Within a few months, Alex was able to communicate effectively and even began to think in English. How did this happen? Let's dive into the strategies Alex used and how you can apply them too. First, Alex focused on listening. He realized that babies don't start talking right away, they listen to their parents, siblings, and surroundings. So Alex began watching English movies, listening to podcasts, and even enjoying songs in English. He didn't worry about understanding every word. Instead, he paid attention to the tone, expressions, and how words were used in sentences. Over time, this consistent exposure helped his brain naturally recognize patterns, building his understanding of the language without needing to focus on grammar. Second, Alex embraced imitation. Whenever he heard a new phrase, he repeated it out loud, just like a child learning to speak. For instance, when watching a movie, if a character said, "Can I have some water?" Alex paused the video and repeated the sentence until it felt natural. This imitation technique helped him pick up correct pronunciation, intonation, and natural expressions. Third, Alex started using English in daily life, even for simple tasks. When he saw a cup, he would say to himself, "This is a cup." While walking to the market, he described what he saw, "I see a red car," or "The weather is sunny today." Speaking to himself in English strengthened his confidence and made the language feel more natural to him. Another thing Alex did was interact with English speakers without fear of making mistakes. He joined online language exchange platforms where people from different countries connect to practice languages. When Alex made a mistake, his partners didn't correct him harshly. Instead, they modeled the correct way to say something, and Alex picked it up naturally. One key realization that helped Alex was understanding that his brain already had a universal grammar. This is the natural ability every human has to learn languages. Babies across the world, regardless of where they are born, can acquire any language they are exposed to, thanks to this inbuilt universal grammar. Alex reminded himself that he didn't need to memorize English grammar rules to learn English. His brain could do it for him as long as he gave it enough input through listening and practice. Here are some techniques and tips Alex followed that you can also use to learn English without focusing on grammar. Listen more than you speak. Surround yourself with English. Watch TV shows, movies, or YouTube videos in English. Listen to audiobooks or podcasts on topics you enjoy. Let your brain absorb the patterns of the language. Repeat what you hear. Repetition helps cement phrases and sentences in your mind. When you hear something interesting or useful, repeat it. For example, if someone says, "I'll see you tomorrow," practice saying it out loud. Learn phrases, not words. Instead of memorizing individual words, learn entire phrases or chunks of language. For instance, instead of just learning the word "thank," learn the phrase, "Thank you for your help." This will help you understand how words fit together naturally. Think in English. Whenever possible, try to think in English instead of translating from your native language. For example, If you're hungry, think, "I want to eat something," instead of thinking in your native language and then translating it. Use context to understand, don't get stuck on words you don't know. Instead, use the context of a conversation or sentence to guess their meaning. For example, in the sentence, "I'm going to grab a snack," even if you don't know the word snack, you can guess it's related to food. Speak without fear, don't be afraid of making mistakes. When you speak, focus on communicating your message rather than being perfect. Mistakes are part of the learning process, and every error is an opportunity to improve. Shadow conversations, pick a short clip from a movie or an audio recording. Listen to it, and then try to speak at the same time as the speaker, imitating their pronunciation and speed. This shadowing technique helps improve fluency and pronunciation. Create your own stories. Think of simple situations in your daily life and narrate them in English. For example, describe how you prepare tea or talk about your day as if you're telling someone. Practice daily, consistency is key. Even if you only have 10 minutes a day, use that time to listen, speak, or think in English. Celebrate small wins, notice your progress and celebrate it. If you understand a sentence in a movie or can order food in English without hesitation, acknowledge your achievement. Over time, Alex realized that learning a language doesn't have to be a struggle. By following these techniques, he became confident and fluent without ever sitting down to study traditional grammar rules. You can do the same by trusting your brain's natural ability to learn and focusing on real-life usage of the language. So remember, fluency in English doesn't come from mastering grammar, it comes from practice, exposure, and confidence. Start using these techniques today, and you'll find yourself speaking English naturally and effortlessly.